Hi campers, welcome back to 30-second beer reviews. The beer reviews that never last for 30 seconds, way longer because of the beers that we do. Today we're doing the third in that pack that we had yesterday, because it is another day. Didn't do 3 in a day. This is the Hazy Pale Ale. Like I said yesterday, it comes out of this pack here, the 3x2. Hazy Pale. Again, flip it upside down, invert it so that you've got all the goodness going through the beer. And let's give Donald Trump a bit of a crack and open him up. Here's the port. Gotta love that hazy. Just looks good as. Alright. Let's have a taste. Oh, that's got some bite to it there. That's brilliant. Oh, geez, on ice out of the chili bin, so that's cold. It smells like bloody fruit salad. That's a great brew. So, Hazy Pale Ale, Sawmill Brewery, local Warkworth Brewery, Northland Beers. Alright, check it out at New World and grab yourself a 6-pack and have fun. Cheers.